Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So today we are discussing about the very important topic. The topic is social media. So today I'm going to describe about the advantage and disadvantage of social media. It's how it's work and how it addicted with the social media. So this is the very interesting topic for everyone and also for me. So my first thing is I share with you advantage of social media. As you know, in this era everyone have a personal account on the social media in any kind of app like Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, LinkedIn, and there are many more apps are available in this market and this era. So we are discussing about the some more important topic. So the topic is firstly I want to talk with you and describe with you education system. What is the benefits of social media in our education system? So with the help of social media we can easily study whatever we want, and we can also improve our soft skill and any kind of skill we are want to learn. So definitely we can learn it, no problem. It's more simply, it's a cheap cost rather than like institution nowadays are taking a heavy fee, and middle class and backward class people can't afford it. With the help of social media we can easily buy any skills we are required according to our requirements. We can purchase and then we can learn about it. So support that education system. Now everyone know about the Khan sir. Now he's a good teacher, and he's he have a lot of students are teaching, like teaching, mostly teaching in their institute, and mostly students are learning from the Khan sir. And also you know about the Avadoja. This is the also good teacher, and one teacher I think everyone know about that person, PW physics wala Alak Pandey. Now with the help of social media this company is grow very fastly. PW Vidyapit. Now the network of the PW companies 365 million US dollar. Now this time of the currently value of the PW company. So how it's can possible? It's possible because of the social media. That's why social media is also good things according to be how we can utilize the thing and how we can use it. And third thing is a second thing is a content creation. Second, mostly people are earning from the creating content, and they are uploading on our channel and Instagram and other many more applications like Facebook. So they are earning from the social media. It's also advantage of social media. And in advertising, now with the help of social media people are like advertise our product on the social media. Suppose that you make a like a cup and you sell it. So if you want to sell this cup and the globally label, so you have to make a ad, and you have to run ad on the social media, and they people can buy your product from anywhere. And this is the also advantage of the social media. And one thing is, know about the world information every day easily. You can know about the world information very easily, where any accident is happening, as you can see on your smartphone. Oh my god, in a Delhi, one thief is like a shooting a gentleman, and gentleman was killed by the terrorist. Anything is happened, and you can aware about the news with the help of social media. And one thing is, like if you want to like a finding job, so with the help of social media you can find a easily job in this market. Suppose that I recommended the one of the best application now in this era, that is a LinkedIn app. You find your own employments and jobs with the help of social media. It's a very easy, and it's a good way to find it. There are many lot of benefits of social media, and also disadvantage is here about a social media. And if I am going to talk about the disadvantage of social media, then what is the disadvantage of social media? As you can recall in your mind, suppose that every peoples are distracted from the social media. They are scrolling all the times on the Instagram. They are watching the unnecessary things on the social media. They are watching, oh my god, many type of reels. They are wasting our time. And now in this era, one thing is a very every in a every family member have like a child. Mostly childs are addicted with a social media. They are, while they are eating food, they watch movies, cartoon, serial, whatever they want to watch. Child are very addicted from the social media. That is also disadvantage of social media. And now in this era, like peoples are viral the wrong things and advertising the wrong things on the social media. And they are, with the help of social media, people are blackmailing to each others, any person. That is also disadvantage of social media. We don't know where our time is going. When we are going to on the social media, then we are scrolling 1 hour 2 hour on the unnecessary things we are watching continuously. That is also disadvantage of social media. Now the behind the social media, what's its work, you have to think about it. Algorithm is a most important thing. If you are watching a good video, then your social media's algorithm is also providing you a good news. If you are watching the wrong things on the social media, then you can see like related to bad things coming in your real feed one by one. Behind the social media, algorithm is a working. Algorithm is reading the everything. If you are saying, oh my god, this watch is very good, I think about that, I have to buy this. So your social media algorithm is hearing your voice every time, anything you are speaking, it's all things is recorded, and they are suddenly you watch, open your mobile, then you can, as you can see, oh my god, in the ad that watch is coming suddenly, then you see what is the magic. So we have to use social media, but in the sense we have to focus about that, how it is controlled. So today is this is my topic. So if I am making any kinds of mistake, please do comment in the comment box, and do subscribe and like